Right. So, um, we just want to take this series to expose some of the things that scammers are doing in the industry, which is causing a lot of damage to uh, the industry itself, a lot of damage to uh, innocent victims, a lot of damage to brokers, a lot of damage to a lot of things. Uh, so, I just want to expose and mention, make clear how scamming is happening when it comes to forex trading. Right. So today I'm going to start with a very light way in which scamming is happening. The very first way in which people are being scammed in the industry. Number one, on the top of the list is by the brokers. How are brokers involved in the scamming of people in forex trading? Right. First, first and foremost, a broker is simply there to facilitate transactions for retail traders between the retail trader and the forex market. So, uh, over the years, we have witnessed so many brokers coming and going. You see a broker coming for a few months, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Then after that, boom, disappears. And as it is disappearing, it's not only disappearing, but also disappearing with people's monies that were inside. So how do brokers scam people? Number one way in which brokers can scam people is by the issue of spread. Spread, this is the distance between the bid and the ask price. For example, what I mean by spread is, let's say you buy US 30 here. A broker has enough power to, um, if you buy, let's say you buy here at this price, you bought when price was here. But what they do, they open your order here above here or below the area that you would have entered. So um you realize that the bigger the spread is also the bigger the gap between the bid and the ask price, which also causes one to not enter into profit quickly whenever they enter a winning trade, something like that. So that's one way in which brokers scam people by the use of spreads, by the use of commissions. Another way in which brokers scam people is by this one, whereby I say they come and operate for a certain amount of time. And once they've reached their target of money that they want to make, they will make sure that your money is trapped inside. And once it's trapped inside, they you won't have access to it. They just close and shut down while it's having your money. So these are some of the two ways in which brokers scam people. Uh, so in doing so, people will think that forex trading is a scam, yet the industry itself is not a scam, but the people who are actually in the industry, they are the ones who are full of scamming tactics. In the next upcoming episode, I will tell you more about how some of these so-called mentors are scamming their students in form of account management, in form of a lot of things. So I will mention that in the next upcoming episode. Meanwhile, make sure that you go and like the video, share the video, and watch all the rest of our videos before this one. You understand why I'm saying what I'm saying. So we'll come to part two, part three, part four, up until we finish. But so far, this is what is happening in the industry. There are certain brokers that are simply scamming people, thus tarnishing the image of the industry and also tarnishing the image of the victim and also the person who might have introduced that person to Forex trade.